guess what? We have our first egg. Come with me. I have a wonderful secret to share. There's one here. Another one is here. Let's go to the other side. There are about 3 of them there. As I was saying, this is one here, and I think I saw another one around here. Yeah, this is one here. Wow. And there's one on this side of the house. Yeah, let's go there. Whoa. So at the 16th week, we gave these birds the 3-in-1 vaccine, the Newcastle disease vaccine, the Gumboro vaccine, and the egg drop syndrome. Put together, we call it 3-in-1. So we gave them, and I was projecting that maybe before the end of the month, they will start dropping. And this is just a few days to their 17th week, and they started dropping already. Guess what? We've got about 7 to 9 eggs already. And that is just a wow. You see, these birds are early starters, and it's beautiful. You know, for those who are investors, you really want to see your hens lay. You've been feeding and feeding since you got them in. These ones came in around 12 weeks, and they've been eating and eating and eating. So it's just a rewarding moment for us to have eggs come out, and that's to tell us that they are really hens. They can lay eggs. Alright, let's talk about the secret I have to share with you. You see, the fact that these birds are early starters does not mean that you should go and start or rush up your layers to start laying. Your point of cage, your point of lay, whenever you got them, doesn't mean you should rush them to start laying. That would be a bad thing to do. Yeah, most people try to feed them a lot of food, more than they actually require, just so they get them into lay quickly, but that's going to affect you negatively. It's going to lead to what we call prolapse, a situation where the birds are fatty and their organs are not fully developed. They are not developed enough to handle the kind of eggs they are starting to lay, because you actually rush them into production. So it's a good thing to allow them to grow gradually. You want to feed them just the right amount of feed per time. Go through the requirement chart and just give the birds what they need to eat per time. If you overfeed them, they are going to have fat, and they are going to give you a lot of problems in the form of prolapse, and that is really bad. It's okay once they have been raised well from day old to that point where you got them. If they have been fed well, they should come with the required weight. These ones, where we got them about 12 weeks old, they were around 1.0 something, some of them 1.1 kg, and that was good. So it's a good thing to just maintain that pace and allow them grow gradually and get into lay. It will even be something better for you if your birds grow and mature well before they start to lay, other than they just starting to lay early. So what matters the most is allow the birds to do it their own way. If you allow them to have it their own way, trust me, they'll just be blessing your bank account with lots and lots and lots of money. I am convinced that you have gained a lot from this video. Click on that like button if you think you like it, and remember to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Also click on that notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.